This lesson is on getting survey data into Fathom. Access the Fathom survey that you and your classmates took, either through Blackboard or by typing the above URL into your web browser. Recall that your username is GA10 and your password is Fathom, all lowercase. This will bring you to the survey page. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the View Results tab. This will open up a page where the actual data values are. Since your class data was not completed at the time this video was recorded, I will illustrate the process of getting survey data into Fathom with a different survey that was completed by students last year. First, I'll need to open a blank Fathom document. Next, I'll go to the results page of the survey. I'm going to use the survey called PSU survey, which has some data from a summer workshop at Penn State. So I'm going to click on there to bring me to that survey. When you open yours, it will bring you right to this actual survey page. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click on View Results. That opens the page where my actual data values reside from the survey. When yours is completed, it will look something like this, but obviously with different data. There are two different methods for getting the data into Fathom. I'll illustrate how to accomplish this by copying the URL of the page with the survey results. So I'm going to go up here and click, and I'll just do a Control-A to select all and a Control-C to copy. And then I'll go back into Fathom. I'm going to maximize this screen, and I'll go to File, Import, Import from URL, and then I'll paste the actual web location there by doing a Control-V for paste and click OK. Now the PSU survey data is in Fathom. Data in Fathom is housed in a collection illustrated by a box with gold ball icons. I'll open this up a little bit. Each ball represents a college student who took the survey. If I double-click on a gold ball, I can see the variables or attributes measured on each of the college students, such as socioeconomic class, a question about how likely they would be to try to impress a friend of a higher class, etc. I'll close this by clicking on this box and shrink or re-iconify the collection. With a collection selected means it has this blue edge around it. If I deselect it, looks like that. So with the collection selected, I'll drag a case table from the toolbar shelf and just drop it into Fathom. Now beginning users of Fathom tend to fill their entire Fathom screen with the case table, but experienced users of Fathom know that the real power of analyzing data sets lies in the graphical displays, and so an experienced user will shrink this down and know that they really only need to see the variables or attributes, and you can use this scroll bar down below to scroll through them. With plenty of screen room to play, we're ready to look at graphs of data. It's as easy as going to the toolbar shelf, going to the graph icon, dragging it, dropping it anywhere we want on the screen, and then taking one of our variables and dropping it on the axis. More on graphing later. Stay tuned for an upcoming video.